Teacher Rachel here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create table, rename sheet, change the tab color, and insert clip art using the Microsoft Excel. Let's get started! First thing you have to do is open Microsoft Excel. So as you can see here, I am using the Office 2019 and then click the blank workbook. So here is the blank workbook. Excel is made up of rows and columns. So we have here the column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, column F, and so on and so forth. And we have here the row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. When typing data inside the cell, be sure to start first with the column A before proceeding to the next column. The same as true with the row, start first with the row 1 before proceeding to the next row. And now let's going to create a table. In creating table in MS Excel, there are two ways. You can click Insert, then Table, and then you select the range of your table, example from column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then the row 1, 2 until 11. So for example, okay, so this is now the table, and you can now change the design of the table. It's up to you, right? So example, I will choose this one. We have here the column 1, 2, 3, 4 until column 7. You can change the column name by clicking it and then edit the formula bar. So example, your teacher is asking you to create a table of a computer club. So of course, what are the columns if you are in the computer club? So we have here the ID number, the name, section, grade level, gender, age. You can put here image symbol because at the end you can insert pictures or clip arts. at the end of your table. As you can see here, the text in the column is not fit in the cell. So to clearly see it, you transform the arrow into the double-headed arrow. You see this vertical line. So you put your cursor here and transform it to double-headed arrow, this one, double-headed arrow, and double-click it, this one, double-click it, double-click, double-click, double-click it, and then the last one, double-click it. And now you can see clearly the text in the column heading. And now that your column heading is complete and clearly visible, it's time to write the necessary data in each column. Example, for the ID 2001, name is section, grade level 8, gender female, age 14, then the image symbol. For the image or symbol, you can insert picture or just shape. So for picture, you click insert, illustrations, then you can see here pictures, shapes. So let's insert first pictures or picture. You click picture, then this device. Be sure, if you choose this device, be sure that you downloaded already a picture. So I have here a downloaded picture of sunflower. You select it and insert. Then as you can see here, it has a background. So you remove the background by formatting the picture, picture format. And then we have here remove background. And then it has a empty space. So you crop the empty space by clicking the crop, and then remove the empty space here. Make it smaller. Then you adjust the size so that it will fit into the cell. Then you transfer it here. There you go, you have now the image symbol. Don't have the downloaded picture. You can insert online pictures by clicking insert, illustrations, pictures, then online pictures. So you search here, picture, example, flower. So you click the flower that you want to insert, click it, then insert. So you have here now the flower. You adjust the size. You can see here the description of the picture. This one, the handle. You click the resizing handle, then click delete in your keyboard. So no more description now. You can also insert shapes if you want. Just click insert, illustrations, shapes, then choose the shape that you want to insert. Just example, this one, the heart, and then you draw. Okay, you draw it. Okay, you change the color, shape, fill. Right, then choose your color. Now there you go, you have now the heart shape. To rename the table, just click here, the sheet 1, right click, rename. Example, this is table 1. Just click enter, or just press enter in your keyboard, and then change the tab color. You right click and then tab color, you choose your color. Okay, example, that one. To create another sheet, just simply right click this table 1, then move or copy, click create a copy, move to end, then click OK. Now you have the table 2. So you rename this, right click rename, and then you change it to table 2. Then change the tab color, right click, tab color, then you choose your color. This is for table 1 and table 2. Another way to create a table is through borders. This one, the borders. We will remove the design now. Go to table design and then you click clear. So I remove the design. Now I will replace it using the table border. So just highlight up to the rows that you want, example until row 11, then click home, then you choose the border, you choose all borders. Alright, so this is now a table using the Excel borders, all borders. Now you can highlight some cell if you want. Just select the column that you want to highlight, example this one, then click the fill color, choose your color, the same with column B, column C, column B, column E, column F, and then the last column. Alright, so you have now the table using the Excel borders and the table using the insert then table. For any changes, of course, if you are done, you have to save your work. You can click this icon to save it, or click file, save as, to write the file name, then browse. Then you select your directory where you want to save your file. Example, I will save this to download. Okay, then I will name this Excel table with your name and section. You save it. Then you open your file where you save it. Okay, here it is. Table 1, table 2.